guys! Today I'm going to be showing you these bad boys, and these bad boys are very easy to make. Even if you're a beginner, you're going to be able to do them. Now, unfortunately for the shirts, you're going to be needing at least ordinary sewing machines with a straight stitch and zigzag stitch. You don't have to have a serger. Yeah, surgery is not required, but you do have to have a regular sewing machine. Now this is a spandex fabric, so it has a lot of stretch to it, so you have to accustom your pattern to it. But although it's stretchy, it's very easy to make. I would rate this as a 1 star out of 5, depending on the difficulty, regarding the difficulty. And yeah, you're gonna impress everyone in them, So let's begin. I'm gonna be taking this purple fabric, which is a spandex, and it has a 20% stretch to it. And then I'm gonna be using also the same color matching thread. The way you want to do the shorts is you're just gonna take some panties that are very snug and that you like. They don't really have to be that snug, but they have to snug you in the right places, in the places where you want. And now you're just gonna outtrace it on a rice paper, not on a rice paper, but on the baking paper. I use baking paper for this. And then you have to measure yourself and you have to guess how much you have to leave out for the endings, for the edge. And I usually leave out 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, depending on the fabric. You have to play around with the fabric and see for yourself how comfortable you are with it and how comfortable you are with it working on your machine. These dimensions are for my friend, and she's tall, but she's very slim, very petite. So I would say if you're somewhere around maybe XS, yeah, you can wear these, which is like size 0. These are good dimensions, they could be good for you. But of course, I'm not gonna, vouch for that. So you have to measure yourself and you have to just try it. And guys, remember, it's better to leave more fabric and then you can always downsize it than to cut less and then be left with over something that a cat could wear. So here I am, here they are I suck at cutting, don't judge me, I'm not a professional. And here I put another piece on top of it and I'm gonna serge the sides together. If you don't have a serger, you can use your regular machine on a straight stitch. Now the stitch doesn't have, the first time stitch doesn't have to be that small, that narrow. You can make it a bit larger, that way if it's gonna be too large for you, after this you're gonna try it on, you can always pull it out, pull out the thread and just go at it again. And now I will serge the crotch. Now I'm going to turn it around and you'll see the masterpiece. This is the step where you want to try the shorts on to see how it fits. If it doesn't fit, you will see what adjustments you have to make and play around with it for a bit. This part I will also show you here. So we're gonna do the bottom. And we're gonna do it in a way that you have 2 options now. You can use fold over elastic method, or you're just gonna roll over. Yeah, you're gonna roll over once, pin it in place, sew, and then you're gonna roll over again, pin it in place, and sew. And this will give you, like here, a very beautiful finishing. That's, yeah, just like, it looks like it came out of factory, and you're gonna be so impressed with yourself. And you also want to use zigzag stitch for it. It's not really that hard, trust me. So here they are finished, and now for the top part, for the waist, I'm just gonna fold it over and again do a zigzag stitch. And I'm not going to even put elastic or anything like that because they're very snug on my friend and they're also elastic on their own, so they don't need any other support around the waist. Of course, if your material is loose, you want to put it there a bit. I've done it before in previous shirts, but now I know how much it should be, so I don't need that anymore. Woohoo, and that comes, guys, with an experience. And here they are. Woohoo! So pretty. Look at that. I'm so proud of myself when I see it. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have any comment or if you have any feedback for me, what I could do better next time, please post it down below or write me on Instagram. Please try this out or share with your friends who's into sewing and you would like her to do something like this for you. And yeah, just have fun, you know? Okay. That's it. Bye guys.